plane that never existed. The story of the 787-3. Boeing originally designed the 787-3 to replace their aging 757-300 and 767-200. It would be sufficient for short-haul and high-demand routes. It is similar to the 747-200SR and other 747 variants designed for Japanese island hopping. However, they strive to make it suitable for airlines all around the world. Although it possesses the same length as the -8 variant, it has a shorter wingspan, which allows it to fit inside the ICAO D category, thus allowing it to cater to more airports, unlike other 787 variants, which can only operate at E category airports. This new plane was considered the perfect aircraft for the booming mid-market segment in between the A330 and the A321LR or XLR. It was never the unwanted aircraft, as some might think it was. The real reason why the 787-3 fell out of favor was its delay. Improper management led to Boeing allocating all the resources to the -8 variant, with insufficient development on the -3 and -9 variants. In 2008, as a reaction to immense pressure, Boeing enacted a last-ditch attempt, essentially disregarding the -3 and -9 variants, and instead did final touches on the -8 variant to showcase to their customers. Some speculated that at this rate, they could push the -3 as far back as 3 years. With no fixed delivery date, most customers eventually swapped their orders for the -3 to the bigger -8s. Although not as flexible on airport choices, they know for sure their orders will be fulfilled soon. Additionally, these changes allow the airlines to have better fleet management, as this will integrate their short-haul fleet into their long-haul fleets. In the words of a Boeing spokesperson, ANA's primary business reason for adjusting their 787 model selection is focused around the aircraft availability to support their fleet plan. The 787-8 is available sooner for delivery than the 787-3 would be. If the 787-3 came to life, Boeing would not have to worry about designing the 797 or the NMA, new middle of the market aircraft, for the current market. With its passenger capacity of 290 and a range of 3,050, the 787-3 is perfect for the mid-market segment. After all, long-range performance just requires extra fuel tanks. Because there was no market for the 787-3, Boeing did not feel they had an obligation to continue. Furthermore, it still has fuel problems. Because it is a smaller version of the -8 with similar parts, it has a heavier fuselage. With internal issues and other further problems, Boeing decided the project was no longer feasible. Due to the impact of the pandemic on the aviation industry as a whole, the demand for more flexible and smaller mid-market jets have increased. Singapore Airlines merged with Silk Air, and Cathay Dragon's integration with Cathay Pacific makes it clear that long-distance airlines are hoping to have smaller jets and flexible fleets. Many passenger aircraft, like the 757 and the 767, have been in service for more than 20 years. A replacement is necessary. If Boeing doesn't want to miss a chance, they have to hurry up. Boeing's neo aircraft have encountered all sorts of delays. If they are intending to take up this opportunity in the mid-market segment, it looks like their new designs might not be in service until 2030. Boeing will be too late compared to Airbus. With new technology like the Ultrafan by Rolls-Royce, the old, inefficient design could suit the market very well. Unless they want to be the next L1011, they will have to speed up. Thank you for watching this episode of CADMC Aviation. If you like this episode, please give us a like and subscribe.